Hello, welcome to this hypnosis session to elevate your vibrational frequency to a state of love, peace, joy, and gratitude. Please get into a comfortable position lying down and make sure you will not be disturbed for the duration of this session. Breathing is the most important thing we do, yet we tend to forget about it and never consciously breathe the best we can. Let's begin by taking 3 nice big deep breaths, paying attention to your belly and lungs expanding when you do. 1 fully in, expanding. And exhale, letting your body relax. 2, breathe deeply and expand. Let any worrisome thoughts fade away and exhale. 3, filling your body as much as you can with oxygen. And let the air escape from your body, relaxing you even further. Good. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow the breath to relax you. The next breath you take in, imagine that you are breathing into all of the tense areas in your body. Hold that breath for just a moment and breathe out, sending the tension away. Take another nice deep breath in, filling those areas of tension with oxygen. And exhale, allowing your body to fully relax and feel at ease. Breathe in and breathe out, feeling relaxed. This time, when you breathe in, open your eyes and gaze forward. When you breathe out, gently close your eyes. Repeat this until your eyes want to fully close and allow them to remain shut. Breathing in and breathe out, relaxing you even more. Breathe in and out. So very relaxed. Good. Let your breath flow naturally now. Become aware of your hands, noticing a gentle warmth growing in them. Imagine that you can feel within your hands each tiny molecule and cell vibrating, making you relax even more. This warm sensation is so gentle. Consciously focus on how the frequency rises in your hands when you concentrate on it. Now focus only on your fingertips. Imagine that you can feel the tiny sensations of every cell in your fingertips vibrating higher and higher to a relaxing frequency.